Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd create an updated tutorial today to show you how to get to Monopoly Go reward codes in 2026. This is the easiest method to get free dice in Monopoly Go because this is a simple reward code that you can redeem right now, guys. And this is going to save you a bunch of money because this is going to get you tons of free dice rolls. Now, it doesn't explicitly tell you the price, but they are pretty expensive, the in-app purchases. So this method takes just a few minutes, and once you get to your Monopoly Go reward code, you simply enter it into the Monopoly Go website. And this is the page where you can redeem your reward. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I do plan on making many more updated Monopoly Go reward code videos. So let's get into it. As you can see, I'm using my mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. I recommend you do this on the mobile phone that you actually play Monopoly Go on. Now, I've opened up the internet browser and I'm just going to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, this is how you spell it. Pretty easy to find. You just got to type it exactly like this and it's going to bring you to Cold Coupons, which is a secret codes website. Now, they don't only have Monopoly Go reward codes. As you can see, they have codes for tons of different games. So I'm just going to use the search bar and type in Monopoly Go. And you should find this page, guys. As you can see, there is one verified code, but there are hundreds of codes as well available, so these won't run out anytime soon. So as you can see, this is a Monopoly Go reward code for 100,000 free dice rolls. Now, this is all of the dice that you're ever going to need, guys, and this, if you was to purchase it, it costs so much money. So yeah, this is pretty much going to allow you to completely dominate the Monopoly Go game. So this takes a few minutes, the entire process, but as you can see, you do need to unlock and reveal your full Monopoly Go reward code. That is because these are limited codes and it does limit one code per person. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just click on get full code and it's going to bring you to this screen here that says code unlocker. Now you just need to read the instructions on this page because that tells you what you need to do. This says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your reward code from Cold Coupons. So essentially, guys, all you need to do is complete 2 of the free tasks on this page. Like I said, they are completely free and it does take about 5 minutes, but they're really easy things like installing popular apps like TikTok, where it says here, install the app, open it and run it for 30 seconds to unlock your code. So you just need to complete 2 of these, and if you do that, your Monopoly Go reward code for your free dice will be fully revealed and you can go ahead and use it. So you will redeem it in the reward code redeem website. So where is it? In here, guys. So you will enter your code in here and it will ask you for to basically log in your Monopoly Go account. And yeah, that is how to get free dice in Monopoly Go using rewards codes. So go to Cold Coupons, and then once you reach this website, just search for the Monopoly Go codes, guys. Pretty easy if you can actually spell. There you go. And select your 100,000 free dice. So make sure you like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.